Hey everyone, we're going to do things just a touch differently this time. I have got my granddaughter Zoey here. Say hi, Zoey.
Hi!
She is going to do a tutorial for you all on how to do the daubing of alcohol ink on this little vase she's got. And we want to be sure and say thank you to Catherine Babcock of Artistic Insanity again. This came from her video that we have watched where she does this on planters. So we switched it up just a little bit, and Zoey is going to show you how to do it on this small little vase that she has here.
Yeah, the first one I did was this one. If I can pick it up. It's better in the light, but you can't really see through it. It's too dark right now.
Oh, you know what? We can fix that.
Ooh, that might be better. Whoa, that's bright. Hopefully you can see that it's different colors and not just black with a little gold. And that's the first one I did with the thing. Having trouble here.
All right, Zoey, tell them what you're going to use today.
I'm going to use the Pinata blends of ink. And what was this called? I can't.
This is the Bria Reese Ink Dauber Kit. This was one of my Christmas presents from the girls and our Papa Bear, my husband.
Yep.
And so the girls have been the only ones that have used it so far, actually.
Yeah.
I haven't even gotten to use my Christmas present.
Yeah. Well, she asked us to do the stuff, so it's not our fault.
All right. So what kind of pad are you using on the end of the dauber? Which one are you using?
I'm using the black one.
It's the coarse.
Yeah, the coarse pad, which is this one. And I think these two are the same. And this one just covers the whole thing, and this one is a little bit where you can see through it.
All right. Now, tell them what colors you decided to use today.
Okay.
This puzzle's a lot.
Baja Blue, Senorita, Magenta, and Sun White Yellow. And this, what was it called?
Ranger brand.
Yeah, Ranger brand of this copper that I'm going to be using after I color it with these, with the dauber.
All right, I'm going to shake this while you do that. You can move the other stuff out of the
Gonna
way
do this now.
and get started with your colors and tell them what you're doing as you do it, how you do it.
Okay, now I'm going to put the ink on the dauber.
Sorry folks, that's me in the background shaking this bottle of copper Metallica back here.
And I'm trying to, can you open this? This is like glued stuff about the ink. Okay, thank you for that. And I'm going to use this pink and blue at the same time on it, because I think it would be pretty, because it would mix just a tiny bit while I was putting it on. So you just want to put drops of it on. Don't make like a big line. Just put a few drops on it here and there. And you don't really want to put whatever color, if you use more than one on here, you don't want to put it over top of it. Just put it on beside it, because you don't want it to mix a lot. And then I'm just gonna have my base here, and I'm gonna just press gently and lift up on it.
I'm trying to get this to where you all can see a little bit better
and
there.
you see, it actually shows up the colors pretty well on this glass. And before you do this, you put the alcohol on the glass to make sure the ink sticks.
You wipe it down with some alcohol first, just alcohol on a paper towel or something to make
Yeah.
sure there's no oil off your hands or just dirt or whatever might be on it.
And here's a tip. To get the tag off, use a little alcohol after you get the paper bit off to get the sticky part off. I think I need to put some more ink on here. So I'm gonna use some yellow.
Finish the pink and blue first all the way around.
Actually, I'm gonna finish the pink and blue first all the way around. Just put in some drops on here. Don't know if you can see it or not. Just some more pink and blue. Well, I put it before because you will be able to see it where you put it before. And if not, just don't put it right over the pink. If you do, it probably would just turn purple. This is fun. Got some on my glove. No. When you get up here, it kind of moves the glass, so it's harder to do up here. And I think it would be better if you didn't leave it long on here because it kind of just mixes. So don't like leave it long or press hard, just press gently and don't leave it a long time. And that would be really good if you don't because it won't make it mix so much. And I need more ink. I think it's looking good so far actually. First one I did on a vase. Like you saw earlier, I did one on a globe. And I think I'm doing good, but I can't really tell much because I haven't finished it yet.
Well, I think you're doing good.
And I will show you in 1 second the globe my sister did. In just a second, after I just finish up the ink that's left on here, I will show you my sister's globe that she made the same way. And after I finish the pink and blue all around, I'm gonna go up and put some yellow in some spots. And then after I'm done with the yellow, I'm gonna put just some copper on it because I think that would look really good. And my hand's getting very tired now. So after you run out of ink, it will get like this, where you can't see as much come off. Then you just put some more ink on, but now I'm gonna show you my sister's globe. My hands are clean, so I'm just gonna show you real
That was
quick.
close.
Yeah. My sister just saved my globe from running off the table. But here,
Mine has a crack in it.
and this is her globe. And then she just used some pink and blue and put some gold on it. I don't know how she did it because I wasn't in here watching. Yeah, but I'm guessing the same way I did, just for different colors and not so dark colors. And now I'm gonna get back to this. And you see on my dropper, there's a little bit of purple. That's where the pink and purple has mixed. I've not put any purple on though.
Pink and blue.
I'm sorry, you all may shake just a second because I'm going to
Lower you.
try and raise this tripod just a touch to keep this in the picture just a little bit better.
Yeah, because I'm having trouble with that right now.
All right, you're good, Zoe.
Okay, just gonna turn this. I'm almost done with the pink and blue because I see it. I'm almost done making this I don't know what it's called, spots everywhere. Some are different, more purple, some are not as much, where they've mixed a little on the dauber thing. And I'm just looking, see if there's any place I need to go over that I've missed.
Did you want to do the bottom of it?
Yeah, but after I put the yellow and everything around it. And see, like up here, I will go back and put a little there if I've missed any. Just to make sure it's not too see-through or blink in any spots or anything. Because I want you to actually see color everywhere you look, even at the bottom right here. And after I'm finished putting the yellow and copper on, I will put it on the bottom too.
All right, so you need to decide if you want to put your yellow on this same pad and it's going to mix some with the blue and pink that are on there, or if you want a clean pad to do the yellow and the copper with.
Well, I think it would be fine if it mixed because they were going to mix on here anyway, so
Okay.
I think it would be fine.
All right,
So maybe,
you can do this at the same time. You do them both together.
okay, so I'm going to put this down. It doesn't matter well because everywhere's already covered up on mine. So I'm just going to place random drops. Just keep them, I keep them like a triangle. And then I'm going to have the copper and do that like right here. This is a different kind of tube and this is a way harder to squeeze. I'm trying my hardest to squeeze. Got it. You might be able to see my hands shaking. It's really hard, so I just tipped it up and down. Now I'm gonna go over and put spots. That made us so brown.
I'm going to scoot these back out of your way.
That's actually pretty. Can you see it? I don't know, but I think that's actually pretty. Now I'm just gonna put spots randomly on it because that's actually pretty. Can't believe that made that. Having trouble turning this. And then I just keep doing it all around. You don't have to if you don't want to, and you can spread them out more than I am. But I'm just making random dots. They don't have to be even or in a paddle or anything. And then I'm just gonna put some down here randomly, just so it looks like it kind of got cut in half, like some fabric. I can't say that. Then I'm just gonna put it random places, anywhere like up here. Just gonna put it like random places up here, wherever you want to, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just think it will look better if I do, just because this is a really pretty color, and it's running out, and I think that's enough.
What about the bottom?
Now I'm gonna do the bottom. Okay, I'm just gonna get this thing, that monstrosity that she made.
My monstrosity.
How do I don't know how to do this. Don't ruin it. Oh, it's just tacky, very tacky. Stuff on the bottom.
You serious?
Yeah. There's stuff on the bottom. She's reaching in to try and get it off.
Sorry, my big hands are in here now.
Yeah, tiny hands,
Well,
big hands.
we just won't worry about that. The ankle, cover it up.
Hopefully it will cover it. So I'm just gonna go with my pink and blue again. Now you can't tell where you've put it, so just put it randomly like I am right now.
Keeps falling.
It's hard for me to tell if you were in this because I cannot see anything if I show you. Now I'm gonna do the bottom here. It gets me nervous because this can easily tip like it just did and shake. It looks very different because it mixed. It's actually prettier with it all mixed actually, I think. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this yellow and copper. Not much because it's already mixed in, just a tiny bit, and made it a little more tan.
it raining?
And I'm just gonna put some copper on randomly. I'm trying not get it on the yellow, but I can't really see. So now I'm just gonna put some dots like I did earlier on. So I'm not gonna put much because it is a smaller surface, and I think that will be fine. And then I'm just gonna look over it and see if I missed anything. I wanna go back over. I'm turning it, and this is very dangerous to do if you don't have a very steady thing that it's on. So I think I'm happy with this. I'm just gonna take it off and show you. I'm just gonna grab it down here, and then I'm just gonna move this out of the way for a second. And then here's my thing that I've made. I don't know what.
If you can take your hand out of it, if there's anywhere dry, you can hold it. They'll be able to see it better.
Okay. So here is my creation, and here's the bottom. And I think I'm happy with this. Fine. Thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up if you liked it, and remember to visit
Catherine Babcock of Artistic Insanity.
Yep.
All right, and Maddie has something she wants to say quickly before we go.
Even if you hated it, give it a thumbs up.
All right, we appreciate you all, and I hope you all enjoyed Zoe's tutorial. Maybe we can get Maddie to do a tutorial on something one day soon. We will see you all soon. Bye.
Bye.